Hi fans, today topic is variable declaration. Variable used in a C program are declared with the appropriate data types. C language permit the user to assign initial value to the variable when declaring them. All variables that are used in the program must be declared for their types before they are initially encountered in the program. A syntax of declaring a variable is also provided. Types are named. The types represented the data types that can be stored in the variable, and are named represented the identifier used to name the variable. We can also declare more than one variable using the same data types. For example, int count, int number of total, double average. Second example, data types, variable names. Example, int float in x, characters is a y. Int rule long, float marks, characters is a grade. Here, rule long is a variable of types int, and mark is a variable of types float. Grade is variable of types sort. Variable initialization. Int rule long is equal to 20. Float mark is equal to 85.5. Third characteristic grade is equal to a. Here 20 is a value of rule long, and 85.5 is a value of the mark, and a is a value of grade. Other method of variable initialization. Int rule long is equal to 20, float mark is equal to 85.5, and characteristic grade is equal to a. Thank you.